Okay, we're here at 926 Maryland Drive in Coppers Cove, Texas. We're at a Habitat for Humanity. This has been a fire. We're volunteering our time to redo the electrical system in the home. This is Reese Shively. He's one of our instructors.
Well, just one. Oh.
Just one of us.
He's not wearing his helmet?
Just one of us. That's the old panel. Here's a picture of the old panel. We ripped this sucker out. We're not going to use it. It was good enough for when the house was built. It's no longer good enough. This is what it looks like when you run all the home runs from the rest of the house into this panel area. We're still going to use the same hole. And here's the service wires coming in. The service has to be redone as well.
How many electricians does it take to...
Come on into the kitchen. This is the kitchen. The dining room. This is the living room. This is the fast way to pull wire in a house. You always want to do your fastest work when you're roping a house. These are all brand new wires. As you can see, they're all identified. If they're not identified, it's the electrician's job to go back and make sure that they are correctly identified. That's what this is. So 6 foot apart from the doors, within 6 feet for the receptacles, 12 feet all the way around the room. Here's the hallway down to the bedrooms. This is where the air conditioner unit was. Because it was in a fire, it's been trashed, it's going to be replaced. First bedroom, it's already been rewired completely with our students. They gladly like to join in for all of the activities at Habitat for Humanity. This is a ceiling fan. And here is the smoke alarm. Because of Copper Cove's requirements, we have to do 12-3. They have to all be interconnected. One goes off, they all go off. Here's the second bedroom. Once again, it's all been rewired. 12-2. Light, fan, 2 switches. Here's Corey. Corey's working on stapling. Here's the third bedroom. We're going to call this the master bedroom. We're going to need to get somebody to run. The vanity's going to be right here. We're going to need to get someone to run a vanity wire in for us right through these studs. This is where the vanity is going to go in the main bathroom. This is common practice to zigzag the wires inside of the wall so that no matter where we attach it to, we cut that off and pull it in. It's for our convenience as electricians. You're wondering about the white studs. Anytime that a fire has been in a home, the firemen come in and spray water everywhere. This is an antifungal that every house that's been in a fire has sprayed all of the studs for antifungal so that they don't get black mold. This is a common occurrence for us to be involved in Habitat for Humanity. Our students come out and volunteer our time, and this is a great work experience for them. They're students, so they don't really have any idea about wiring a home and what all it takes to get the systems in. We all volunteer here. It's going to be a great benefit for the community. This house is going to be resold to an underprivileged family, and we're going to bring it up to 2017 code.